Hello everyone and welcome to 56 Warwick Drive in Shalimar, Florida. We are in the 32579 today. As you can see, this home has absolutely stunning live oaks, providing so much privacy as well as shade on the property. This home does sit on a corner lot in the neighborhood of Woodland Shores. It does not have an HOA, but as you can see, it is very well maintained. And just behind these houses here is the bayou. So you are a hop and a skip away from the water. Poquito Bayou Boat Ramp is very, very close. So if you have a boat, you can park it in your driveway, no HOA, and take it down to the boat ramp. There's also a swimming area there, so more to do than just a boat ramp. This home does have a 2-car garage, and here is a better close-up of the house and more of this absolutely stunning live oak. These are azaleas here around the tree and out front, so in the spring, the blooms would be absolutely beautiful. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home spanning over 1,900 square feet. It has brand new flooring that was just installed and fresh paint throughout. So as you can see coming up, you do have a nice covered porch, a brick exterior, which is great. Okay, coming inside, you can see these really beautiful neutral floors. We've got white paint throughout, so the paint is cohesive throughout the entirety of the home. You do have a vaulted ceiling in here, a ceiling fan, and a beautiful brick fireplace to just anchor the room. Here is the entrance, and you do have a matching window, just like that one on the other side. I have that door open right now though. In addition to the main living area, you do also have a formal dining room. This could easily be used as a home office or bonus room, flex space, whatever fits your needs. This home has amazing proximity to Eglin Air Force Base, so you could also use it as an investment property, could easily be rented out. Kitchen here, you do have a double sink, black appliances. We do have an adjacent breakfast nook there, so there is more areas other than just the formal dining room. You do have a pantry here with wire shelving for extra storage. And then in the breakfast nook, you do have a beautiful view of the backyard with more live oaks. I'll show you the primary bedroom and then we will go out back. Primary bedroom is split from the other bedrooms, so you do have a bit of privacy. A nice spacious bedroom, lots of lighting, ceiling fan there, and then you can enter the bathroom through these double doors. Love that it adds a little bit of character. We do have tile in the bathroom. Double vanities here, bright vanity lighting. And then you do have a shower and a tub, so you do have a soaking tub here, and it's got a little privacy frosted glass window here, always nice to let in some extra light. A linen closet for added storage. And then here is your tiled standing shower. And then the water closet here for some added privacy. Every bedroom in this house has a walk-in closet. This is the biggest closet in all of the bedrooms, but it's got a great depth to it. And then you do have the wire shelving, and then we do see the new flooring in the closet as well. So another angle of the primary bedroom here. Do also have your washer dryer hookups and some added cabinetry for extra storage in here. This is access to your 2-car garage. Let me take you out back and show you the fabulous deck. This is a perfect spot to grill or just hang out. So we see more of the corner lot here. So much mature landscaping. Another beautiful live oak. A shed for extra storage. And then you do have a built-in bench for the deck. Okay, going back in through the kitchen area, I'll take you to the other side of the home and show you the other bedrooms. Do have a linen closet here for added storage in this hallway. Nice big window overlooking the beautiful backyard. Ceiling fan, and then your walk-in closet right through here. Full bathroom, so it's just between the two bedrooms. You do have tile in this bathroom as well. Single vanity, bright lighting, and then you do have a tub shower combo in here. The third and final bedroom. Got a beautiful big window. Another view. Absolutely stunning. And then your walk-in closet, and this bedroom does have a ceiling fan as well. All the bedrooms are quite spacious, and like I said, they do all have walk-in closets. There is so much natural light that flows through this house. It's got a great floor plan. You do have the formal dining room, so you've got extra space if you need it. If you want a formal dining room, great. If you need a bonus space, great. Like I said, guys, this home is about 4 miles from Eglin, so very centrally located for military. Very close to Justin Fort Walton Beach Airport and close to Poquito Bayou boat launch. Forgive me for butchering that a couple times in this video. All right, guys, this is 56 Warwick Drive. Come check it out.